want to say glory to God for this year, our 2022 anniversary of our church and pastors and church workers conference. Brother Don Wattenberger is on the ground. We're preaching here at Faith Baptist Church tomorrow morning and evening, and he's already prepared and fired up for the pastors conference. He's going to be preaching a lot at the conference to pastors and church workers, and our camp meeting every evening, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So, Brother Don, you are welcome. What do you say?
I want to say that I'm grateful to be back here in Ogbomoso. I had to miss last year, and that was terrible for me. It ruined my whole year. But now I have the privilege to be back. I'm excited to see what God will do in the hearts of His men and how He will stir us to help us serve better. And our God is a great God, and He's faithful, and we believe He's going to show up and really give us the help that we need to honor Him another year.
Amen.
It's good to be here. It's good to be here.
I'm glad you're back. I'm looking forward to having you all. God bless you. Thank you.